Well, I made one of these LCD invaders. This is the shooting button, and this one makes go leftwards, and this one goes right, and I got hit, so my score is 50. R is to reset, and then it will start over again, level 1, and so on and so forth. I added a power switch here on the side, and then I also added a USB-C port, so it has an 18650 battery inside. It also runs on an Arduino UNO, and I also added 4 feet, so when you play it, it's nice and sturdy on a table. Very simple. You can find this one out in Instructables as well, I believe, and it's a lot of fun. And I have a bunch of these displays laying around, and I figured out I'm going to make some kind of a something out of them. I got like 3 more left or so, and then I have some larger ones like 4-liners. I have 2 of those left, so I'm going to make some kind of a project with them and have some fun at the same time. Well, again, one small quick little video. Give me thumbs up. It doesn't hurt for you to do that, and definitely have a fantastic day.